Welcome everyone to our Arabic learning series, a step-by-step Arabic for beginner to intermediate, learning to speak Arabic in everyday conversation. This program is designed to help you build clear, practical conversational Arabic step by step. In each lesson, we will introduce useful vocabulary, then gradually build on those words so you can form real, everyday sentences with confidence. So join me on this journey, stay engaged, review your vocabulary, and you'll be speaking Arabic much faster than you expect. In this slide, we'll cover 10 everyday vocabulary words to start with, and the goal of this lesson is to help you become familiar with basic Arabic words that are commonly used in daily life situations. So it is important that you read and memorize the vocabulary, okay? So let's get started. First word is na'am. Na'am means yes. Also, before moving forward, each vocabulary word will include English transliteration. And this is to make pronunciation easier and to ensure the lesson is accessible even for those who cannot read or articulate Arabic words. All right, let's continue. Na'am, na'am, yes. La, la, no. Bait, bait, house. Maktab, maktab, office. Sharika, sharika, company. All right, this side. Sa'iq, sa'iq, driver. Tabib, tabib, doctor. Haris, haris, guard, a security guard. Shurti, shurti, policeman. Muhandis, muhandis, engineer. All right, this will be the 10 vocabulary that we'll be working on this lesson. All right, let's move on to the next slide. So for this slide, let's try to match the 10 words you just learned with their correct meaning before I reveal the answer. I think I've already revealed the first one, but let's try again. Shurti. What do you think shurti means? Shurti means policeman. Policeman, okay. Sa'iq. Sa'iq means driver, okay. Tabib. Tabib. Tabib is doctor, okay. Haris. Haris. Haris, security guard or guard, okay. Muhandis will be engineer. That's the one that's on the left there, okay. This side, na'am. What do you think na'am means? Na'am, it means yes, okay. La, la, la would mean la is no, okay. La is no. Bait, bait, house, okay. Maktab, maktab, office. Sharika, sharika, company. All right, there you have it. Next slide. So in the next two slides, translate the Arabic vocabulary into English in your mind before I click to reveal the answer again. Remember, we are reusing the same vocabularies in this lesson with different exercises to help with memorization and understanding. So the first word here is muhandis. What do you think muhandis means in English? It means engineer, okay. Haris, Haris, what do you think Haris means? It means security guard. Shurti, shurti, shurti means policeman, okay. Tabib, tabib, tabib mean doctor, good. Sa'iq, sa'iq, sa'iq means driver. There you go, a driver. All right, next slide, the same thing. Let's translate into English. Na'am, what do you think na'am means in English? It means yes. La, la means no, okay. Bait, Bait. What do you think bait means? Bait means house. Okay. Maktab. Maktab. Maktab means office. All right. I hope you're translating in your head before I reveal the answer. Okay. Sharika. The last one here. Sharika. Sharika will mean company. There you go. All right. For this slide, look at the picture and say the Arabic word before I reveal it. Okay. This is a new exercise using the same vocabulary again. All right. This is a company. How do you say company in Arabic? Sharika. Sharika. Okay. This is we see this is an office. How do you say office in Arabic? Maktab. Okay. This is a house. How do you say a house in Arabic? Bait. There you go. Bait. And this one here, this is we see it says hospital. How do you say hospital in Arabic? Mustashfa. Mustashfa. All right. The same thing the next slide here. He is a security guard. Security, how do you say security in Arabic? Haris. Haris. Okay. He is a doctor. How do you say a doctor in Arabic? Tabib. Tabib. Okay. He is a driver. Driver. How do you say driver in Arabic? Sa'iq. Sa'iq. Okay. And this one here, she is a female doctor. Tabiba. We didn't cover this word. It was just a bonus, but we'll cover in the future. Tabiba. Next, he's a policeman, and how do you say that in Arabic? Shurti. He is shurti, policeman. And last one here, he is a muhandis, an engineer. Muhandis. All right. In the next two slides, you will practice saying na'am, na'am, which means yes, and la, which means no. Okay. Okay. Is this an airport? La. This is not an airport. As you can see, the sign here says hospital. La. Is this a company? La. This is not a company. This is a school. Okay. Is this an office? Na'am. Na'am. This is an office. Okay, next one. Is this a house? Na'am. This is a house. Na'am. Okay. Is this an airplane? La. La. This is not an airplane. This is a car. Is this a car? La. La. This is not a car. That's an airplane. All right. The same thing in this slide. Is he a policeman? La. He's a security guard. Is he a doctor? La. No, sorry, excuse me. Yes, which means na'am. Na'am. He is a doctor. Okay. Is he a driver? Na'am. He is a driver. Na'am. Is she an accountant? La. She's not an accountant. La. Okay. Is he a manager? La. He's not a manager. He's a policeman. He's an engineer. Naam. Naam. He is an engineer. All right. On this final slide, translate the English word into Arabic in your mind before I reveal the answer again. Okay. Office. What do you think office means? It means maktab. Maktab. Okay. Company. What's company in Arabic? Sharika. Sharika. Okay. Yes. How do you say yes in Arabic? Naam. Naam. No. La. La. Driver. Say driver. Sa'iq. Sa'iq. Doctor. Doctor. Tabib. Tabib. Policeman. Shurti. Shurti. Engineer. muhandis, muhandis. All right, that concludes lesson 1. Please review the vocabulary as we will keep building on it and slowly move into conversation as we expand our vocabulary. And also, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and support the channel as well. With that, see you next time.